Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making an amazing pulled pork pizza on the Karma 32 from WPPO. The first thing that we need to do is build up a good fire in the pizza oven. So stack a couple of chunks of wood on top of each other, insert a fire starter, light it on fire. When you have a good fire going, you can add a couple of more chunks, and then you want to heat up the stone for about 45 minutes. While the stone is heating up, we can start on the cilantro lime crema. So start by adding 15 ounces of Mexican sour cream into a bowl. Then you want to add a tablespoon of cilantro. Next, you want to zest one lime, and you also want to cut it in half and squeeze the juices into the bowl. Then you need to stir this and set it aside. For the pulled pork pizza, we're using the Urban Slicer grilling dough, and the benefit of using this is we only need to get the stone up to about 550 degrees. You want to shape the pizza into a nice round 12-inch pizza, and then we're going to start by spreading some ricotta cheese on it. Then you want to sprinkle the pizza with plenty of mozzarella, and then we're going to add plenty of apple smoked pulled pork. We're also going to add plenty of thinly sliced red onions. Then it's time to put this in the pizza oven, and you want to bake this pizza for between 6 to 8 minutes. Halfway through, you want to rotate it, and when the pizza is done, it's time to remove it from the oven. Now it's time to add barbecue sauce, and you can go with your favorite commercial barbecue sauce. Next, we're going to add some of the lime cilantro crema, and finally, we're going to sprinkle some fresh cilantro on top, and then the pizza is ready to serve. And that is how I make my pulled pork pizza, and I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. And it looks pretty darn good, so here we go. Oh man, come on. Rich, flavorful, packed with barbecue flavors, and then the freshness of the cilantro lime crema. This is really good. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.